I'm just so broke you won't believe. Can't get $1 out of me. And as far as I can see, I'm losing control like a bad disease. No, I just can't get relief. I've been shot down by the life police. Cause every day I try to rise but I can't succeed. Can anybody find a cure for me? You can be bitter, 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 or you can be better, better, better. When life gives you lemons instead of champagne, don't worry little children and don't complain. Whoa, remember your golden to find some sugar cane. When life gives you lemons, take lemonade. Hama, hey, I'm a comma. Hama, hey, I'm a comma. Hama, hey, I'm a comma. Now every day is like a brand new year. I throw my hands up in the air like I just don't care. I'm a